Welcome to the latest edition of Oncology Updates, covering recent breakthroughs in the field. Brought to you by Lucid Quest, Johnson & Johnson reports FDA approval of subcutaneous Rybrevant FASPRO, amivantamab with hyaluronidase L-PUJ across all Rybrevant indications. This enables about 5-minute dosing and fewer administration-related reactions versus intravenous, with PK co-primary endpoints met in Paloma-3. Mariposa showed an overall survival advantage for amivantamab plus lazertinib over osimertinib in first-line EGFR exon 19 deletion and L858R non-small cell lung cancer, supporting early combination use. AstraZeneca and Daiichi Sankyo received US approval for Enhertu plus pertuzumab in first-line HER2 plus metastatic breast cancer. In DESTINY-Breast09, the combination improved progression-free survival over THP, with median progression-free survival over 3 years and safety consistent with known profiles. The EMA validated the Datroway Type 2 variation for datopotamab deruxtecan monotherapy as first-line treatment for metastatic triple-negative breast cancer in patients not candidates for PD-1 or PD-L1 therapy. The filing is based on TROPION-Breast02, which showed significant overall survival and progression-free survival benefit versus chemotherapy. The Reva Biologics received positive EMA scientific advice for a double-blind, placebo-controlled Phase 3 of VCN-01 plus gemcitabine and nab-paclitaxel in first-line metastatic pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma. The agency endorsed an overall survival primary endpoint, an adaptive design, and dosing macrocycles, reflecting VIRAGE Phase 2b signals in overall survival, progression-free survival, and duration of response. In Canada, the Canadian Drug Agency issued a positive reimbursement recommendation for Opdivo plus Yervoy in first-line MSI-H or dMMR metastatic colorectal cancer based on a progression-free survival advantage in CheckMate 8HW. Ontario listed the regimen via the FAST program with provincial criteria. British Columbia will reimburse Fruzaqla, fruquintinib, for adults with previously treated metastatic colorectal cancer who have received or are unsuitable for standard therapies. This follows Health Canada authorization in September 2024 and is supported by FRESCO-2 and FRESCO data showing overall survival and progression-free survival benefits. The FDA granted Breakthrough Therapy Designation to JSKN-003, a biparatopic HER2-directed antibody drug conjugate for platinum-resistant ovarian cancer after bevacizumab. The decision is based on pooled Phase 1 and Phase 2 data, with additional China designations and US Fast Track and Orphan designations noted. The FDA converted rucaparib to regular approval for adults with BRCA, mutated metastatic castration-resistant prostate cancer after an androgen receptor pathway inhibitor. Approval is supported by Triton-3, which showed a radiographic progression-free survival benefit versus physician choice therapy, while overall survival was not significant and ATM subgroup exploratory results did not drive benefit. In Japan, the Health Ministry approved Zynyz, retifanlimab, with carboplatin and paclitaxel as first-line therapy for advanced squamous cell anal carcinoma. Podium 303 and Interact 2 showed a 37% reduction in risk of progression or death, and serious adverse reactions in 47% with the combination. Johnson & Johnson completed its $3.05 billion acquisition of Halda Therapeutics, adding HLD0915 for prostate cancer and the RIPTAC-regulated induced proximity platform. The company highlighted potential to overcome resistance and extend beyond oncology, with expected EPS dilution. Stay ahead in oncology research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lq